अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम वजाहिदू फिल्लाहि हक़्क़ जिहादी सदक़ल्लाहुल अलीयुल अज़ीम। Worthy President and my respected teachers and my dear all friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today I would like to express my views about Kashmir case. Mr. President, Kashmir is a piece of paradise. Their people has been killing by Indian forces for 7 years because they asking India to give him their determination rights. Mr. President, Kashmir is a part of Pakistan because Kashmiri has decided in 1947 to join Kashmir Pakistan. Unfortunately, Hindu Maharajari Singh cheated Kashmiris and he joined it in India. Therefore, Kashmir people protested and now accepted Maharajari decision. My dear fellows, Kashmir is the not name of some few rivers and some beautiful green grounds and some historical places, but Kashmir is the name of nation and independent country. Therefore, if any movement that reaches the Kashmiri people, but that movement not just any one Kashmirian, but that movement for the all Muslims, because if any pain in any part of body that lies feel pain in the completed body. Maulana Sayyid Abdullah Maududi said about the problem of Kashmir. You don't take help America, Rus and Israel, but the problem of Kashmir is solved by just war. And their religion is one, which is Islam, and their civilization is sand, and those rivers provide us water. We came from Kashmir. My dear fellows, Kashmir is a part of Pakistan. My dear fellows, Kashmir is a part of Pakistan. Pakistan leadership should help Kashmiri Muslims and bring out them from Indian tribals. I will take my place by this tweet. जो जंजीरों से बाहर है आजाद उन्हें भी मत समझिए, जो जंजीरों से बाहर है आजाद उन्हें भी मत समझिए। जब हाथ कटेंगे जालिम के तब कटेंगे जंजीरें।